The BMW M4 Roadster is a fire-breathing winged serpent prepared to do high-flying gymnastics. It's the two-entryway simple of the M3 super vehicle, also siphoned up by the automaker's M Execution division for driving rushes. It gets the M3's brutal 473 horsepower twin-super inline 6-chamber motor, and we praise BMW for making a 6-speed manual gearbox and backdrive standard. The Super Serious Contest trim knocks capacity to 503 strength and requires an 8-speed programmed, all-wheel drive is discretionary. The M4's firm riding suspension and sharp directing transform twisty streets into noteworthy experiences, but on the other hand, there's a lot of extravagance on board notwithstanding a sensibly open lodge. We truly do have our hesitations about the M4's firm ride, wispy guiding feel, and excessively complex configurable drive modes, however, significant attributes that we believe are taken care of with more artfulness in contenders like the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing, Mercedes-AMG C63, and Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. For the 2024 model year, BMW has supplied the M4 with a similar 12.3-inch and 14.9-inch shows seen in other BMW models. The games card likewise gets the most recent iDrive 8 programming, which has refreshed illustrations and menu structures and an updated BMW Keen individual right-hand voice order capability. There are various valid justifications to spend the additional coin on the M4 contest, including the additional strength and force along with the accessibility of all-wheel drive. In any case, we'd pick the customary M4 for two great ones. It's the main M4 trim that offers a fantastic manual transmission, and it rides less brutally. We'd likewise settle on the lightweight and extra-strong M-Carbon conceites as well as the M-Drive Proficient Bundle, installed float analyzer and lap clock, and the M-Drivers Bundle, which opens a higher maximum velocity and incorporates a one-day class for elite execution driving. The M4 is persuaded by a splendid twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six that comes in two potencies. The standard form makes 473 strength and 406 pound-feet of force. It matches with back tire drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. In our testing, this arrangement shot to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds and cleared the quarter mile in 12.0 ticks at 121 miles per hour. With 503 ponies and 479 pound-feet, the opposition model is even faster, yet the solitary transmission decision is an 8-speed programmed. To counterbalance the absence of a stickshift choice, just the M4 contest can be outfitted with a back one-sided all-wheel drive framework. So prepared, the all-wheel drive M4 rivalry shaved an entire second off the standard vehicle's 60 miles per hour time at our test track with a bursting 2.8 second